Alright everybody, welcome back to another episode of Planking Around. I am in Austin, Texas. I found this beautiful oriental garden, which is also known as a visible garden, and it's a symbol of universal peace. So I thought this was a beautiful place to shoot a quick video for you guys. We're going to be doing a nice plank sequence to strengthen up our core, some shoulder strength, you know, all that good stuff. You know how much you love planks. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's start in our classic plank pose. Make sure your hands are parallel with your shoulders. And we're just gonna hold here and focus on our breathing. Deep inhale, peaceful exhale. And just hold for a few more moments. And come down to your forearm for a few rounds of breathing here. And then back up. One more time down into your forearms. And back up to your classic plank. One more time down into your forearms. And if you lift your hips, you will be in a dolphin plank. And let's just hold here for a few moments. And go ahead and straighten back out. Lift those hips one more time into your dolphin plank. And straighten back out. And one more time with your dolphin plank. Now go ahead and rest those knees the width of your mat as we take a moment to breathe in our child's pose. Let's go back into our high plank. So we're just going to place our right foot all the way to the end of our mat, left foot all the way out as well, and then bring them both back in center, far apart, back center, far apart, back center. Now come down to your forearms once again. And we're going to do that move with our feet. So far apart. Back center. Far apart. Back center. Far apart. And back center. Go ahead and lift those hips up into our dolphin plank. And go ahead and straighten yourself out. And drop those knees once again into our child's pose. This is our resting pose. It's good to mix it up. Make sure that we can survive through all these planks. All right, so we're gonna play around with our side planks. So let's go ahead and start on our left side of our body. Go ahead and place that forearm straight. Lift those hips. Extend your right hand all the way up to the sky. And let's bring it down. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. Inhale up. And exhale. And let's go ahead and roll over to the other side. ahead and bring your hand under. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale up and exhale. One more time, up and exhale. Now go ahead and roll yourself back up to your classic plank. Once again, take a few deep breaths right here. And go ahead and lift your right leg up. And release, and left. And just go at your own pace, one leg at a time. And when you're ready, you can take a break in a downward dog. And fully extend out to your plank. Let yourself down all the way to your mat. Flip those feet into a nice upward dog. And flip those feet. Lift those hips. Back into our downward dog. Now let's just hold here for a moment. Focusing on those deep inhales and those peaceful exhales. All right, so go ahead and straighten yourself back out. Bring your right knee to your right elbow. Your right knee to your left wrist, I'm sorry. And back out. Your left knee to your left wrist. To your right wrist. And back. Let's go ahead back on the right side. To your left wrist. To your right wrist. Straighten out one more time. Bring your left knee to your right wrist. And to your left wrist. And back to our downward dog. And go ahead and straighten yourself back out. Let yourself down slowly. And we're just going to round our spine out just a bit as we come to our close. So if you can, go ahead and reach for your right wrist. Your right ankle. And then for your left ankle. Just hold here for a moment. And when you're ready, you can lift your chest and your thighs off your mat just to complete a good rounding of your spine. And let yourself back down. And one more time back up. And back down. Go ahead and release those feet. I will meet you back in our easy pose. I hope you guys enjoyed a quick plank sequence. Nothing too crazy today. It's very humid out here, so that's why we didn't get too crazy, because I might have passed out. But I hope you guys got a good core workout, just a little splash of something. I will, of course, be shooting more plank videos. I love doing planks, so we will get deeper into them. There's so many different types, and I plan to expose you guys to all of them in beautiful locations. So thank you guys for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye.